Hi there. This place you may be wondering where it is. Actually, it's a lake situated on outskirts of Ooty, and today we are gonna vlog around it for a while. So stay tuned. Man, check this path. I was the last person who came here, and see, these are my remains of my shoes. So beyond this point, nobody is going. This is the last point. Check this. So this is the Avalanche Lake. Good morning, friends. I am at the terrace of my stay, and it's almost 8:30. Check out these hills. हाँ ऊटी बस स्टैंड. I came sir Friday night KSRTC bus. KSRTC. Airavata bus sir, you know? Airavata Ambari, Airavata bus. So guys, as you can see, this is the boat for this Avalanche Lake, and from there we will be going to Avalanche Lakes. It is almost 22 kilometers. Nagraj Bhaiya is with us. We will be traveling more of this distance in the morning, and then the closer places which are close to the city, suburban area, there we will be visiting during the evening or night. This is the Good Shepherd NX school, and this is number 2. Asia's number 2. Asia's number 2 school. And then there comes your hills again. So we are in the mid of the way. I think almost 6 or 7 kilometers out of the Ooty, and we found this scenic mountains. Though I have started late at 8:30, but yeah, then still the weather is nice. It looks very pleasant, tranquil, and full of vibrancy and greenery. Let's go ahead. This is the full of garlic. These are the garlic fields, and then they have this potatoes as well, as we are told us, potatoes, garlics, and other types of vegetables, carrots as well. And also carrot are on that side. There are a lot of carrot, garlic, potato also. This is the entry of Avalanche Fall, right? Avalanche Fall. We have entered into this Avalanche checkpost. From there on, it's a mile's through. Here they are full of greeneries, and you can find the wild animals here. And the ticket, it includes like 2-3 sections, one for camera, one for your cab, and the other one is for this entry of this forest. And here you can find these animals. जोटा ही बोलते हैं भाई हमारे यहाँ तो सर इन my language they call it jota. Jota.
Tamil name is Yerumai.
In Tamil they say it Yerumai. हमारे यहाँ झोटा ही बोलते हैं भाई. तेरा हट जा भाई. So there are a lot of Yerumais na? Yerumais in this path. So mind with the animals. And sir, only car and jeep allowed. By bike or
bike allowed.
Achha, bike allowed. But walking not allowed. Walking not allowed. So that's the only gist. You can't go by walking. 3 kilometers. It's 3 kilometers from the check post, not a mile's throw.
Professor in VIT Chennai.
भाई यहाँ बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रहा लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं. ये तमिलनाडु के हैं तो हर कोई इनका तमिल ही बोल रहा है. और जो मेरे इसमें हैं जीप में, ये सारे हैं चेन्नई के, और चेन्नई में सब तमिल बोल रहे हैं. भाई मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, कोई अंग्रेजी बोल के राजी ही नहीं है. 2 बंदे थे स्टूडेंट, तो वो थोड़ी सी इंग्लिश बोल दे रहे हैं। दोनों वीआईटी चेन्नई के हैं। और जैसा कि मेरा दोस्त आतापुर जिसके साथ मैं सीरीज़ लेके आया था श्रीलंका की, वो भी वीआईटी चेन्नई से ग्रेजुएट है। और बहुत दोस्त हैं मेरे जो वीआईटी से हैं। चेन्नई से नहीं तो वेल्लोर से होंगे या किसी और वीआईटी से होंगे, पर हाँ वीआईटी बहुत जाना माना कॉलेज है। आफ्टर दैट वी वेंट टू द वाइल्डली फॉरेस्ट पैचेस ऑफ वावलांचे लेक in a typical Mahindra and Tata Jeeps. Here we go, the Thala posing in typical Bollywood style.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons.
Guys,
you
check this
built.
path. So this Jeep Safari, it was boring because I was only single and yeah, you need some companion along with you. So that ride for the safari at the last stage was a bit bumpy. He will take you to a place from where there are the backgrounds. There's this mountain in the backgrounds and you can take or click a couple of photos. And after that, the second place is this waterfalls. I don't know if this is the ideal season, but the waterfalls which they showed, it has a very less quantity of water and it was flowing like there is some bucket maybe somebody is flowing water from there. It didn't seem like there's a natural waterfall. There's a natural waterfall. And check this. Yeah, here I should have explored when I was waiting for my this jeep. So the thing is that they will either take you in the groups or you give them 1,000 rupees, they will take you alone. So why to waste money, wait for like 10 or 15 minutes and you will probably get another group, some group, and a total of 10, I think he sits around 7 or 8 people. You can get into the vehicle, hop into that and explore. This is the first monkey I saw in Ooty. Where is this guy going? Just sitting over. Probably he is destroying the view. I want to get there, but I don't. I have trust issues with monkeys of other areas. Usually, I have beaten monkeys with stick once when they annoy me a lot. So beyond this point, I asked from Uncle Auntie that it's not safe, but then I met another typical college friends. They told, yeah, you can go there. It's worth visiting. Man, check this. It's I found this worth than this jeep ride or whatever you say. They will take you some places which you can see while coming towards this avalanche hills. But yeah, this is more beautiful than that jeep ride which I took. Check, man, it's almost 200 meters if I am not wrong. This looks same as I saw on the Google Safari. This is the first place which looks the same even on internet and even in reality. So because nowadays we get lot of edits, right, in which we change the vibrancy, sharpness and all of the videos. But see, this is the raw footage which I am recording. There is no editing I have applied over this video. And yeah, this is getting recorded from my GoPro 12 Hero Black. Check this. Actually, here you can go downwards, but you can't bathe like we usually do in Himachal and Uttarakhand, right? Here it's prohibited to bathe in this river or stream or whatever you say. It's a lake, by the way, Avalanche Lake. So this is the lake where you go, and it's far away from that entry point. I was planning to go back, but then I remembered somewhere in my mind that there was some lake also at this place. Check this. Water is so clean. Ironically, I am in the shoes, otherwise I would have visited and savored this water. Here it's a bit dirty, but there it's fresh and cool. Man, this is the forest which goes up to that peak or summit, whatever. Here's the last point. After there or here you go nowhere. So this is the walkable path up to where I can go. Beyond this, it's a bit slippery. Yeah, this is the last point of Avalanche Lake. So let's go back, because then I will be going back to other places, and this is it for Avalanche. Now I'm about to go back, and this place was worth it. This is my first place of my second day, and with this I'm left for 8 or 7 hours more, because it's 1 p.m. and I don't think I will be doing lunch. We'll be taking some apple pears for the lunch, and yeah, then I will see if we can explore this tea garden, pine forest, and there is Karnataka garden also on the way.